Hello guys, my name is Peter. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm at the garden. I'm going to take you to the garden. I'm going to do some harvesting, a little bit harvesting vegetables. I'm going to harvest some tomatoes and see how the corn is doing. So this is the shamba I'm going to take you through. I just arrived here and I wanted you to see a view how it looks like. And I like garden work. I brought you a video last week and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me get your comments. So I'm going to bring you more videos about shamba gardening, and then you tell me your thoughts. And I believe in organic food and organic vegetables. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go through there to the garden and do some harvesting. After that, I'll be done. So if you like, let me know what you think. Subscribe, share, like, and let's get started. Come on in, guys, and see how it's doing. I brought you this other video from last week. I like farming, and today I'm stopping at a garden to see what's going on, the progress. So keep following. Well, hey guys, I'm at the garden today again. I'm at the garden today again to come and see what's going on. Today they have improved. Look at these vegetables. Guys, these are the vegetables I wanted you to look at. Look at these vegetables. Yeah, put it down there, guys. Put it down there. So I'm gonna be doing some harvesting here. So we have some tomatoes. Guys, look how big these two tomatoes are. Like this one. I have some bags here. So I'm gonna try to do some harvesting a little bit. Looks like it's rained the other day and things are looking good. The Skuma week is looking good, and part is the corn. This is the corn right here. Looks like now the next 2 months probably we might be able to harvest. So I was here last week, if you remember, guys. I brought you some video, but I wanted to revisit, like I said, to see what's going on. I brought all my farming from Kenya to this place. So this is the boundary right here. This is actually the boundary right here. And tomatoes, can you bring me that? Bring me the bag. And I'm gonna try to do some. Put me the bag here. Open it, please, so I can put this stuff. So this is the harvesting I'm doing. I'm putting these things in the bag. You guys can harvest if you want. Pick up the tomatoes. So I have some kids here helping me. Look how big this tomato is. Who wants a tomato? Eh? This is what we are harvesting, big ones. And I can put it down here. Harvest all this stuff. And then harvest some suma. Keep tomatoes in there. Get some crew helping me. And this is the sukuma. Uh, very good, very good sukuma, and actually looks healthy. This sukuma looks healthy. And let me get one bag. Can I get one bag to put this sukuma? The sukuma is very healthy. You see, that's the sukuma. So I'm gonna do like a halfway sukuma. Yeah. So this sukuma wiki, open right there. Okay. And then for this part, this is in Saga, Isaga, yeah. And believe over there is Managu. So that's pretty much what I came here to do and give you guys an update. Keep on harvesting, guys. Put this one down here. Keep on harvesting the tomatoes. And we even have the beans, you see, which needs to be harvested. We have some more tomatoes. Let me get this one. See, even this one, a good one. Sean, come here. Get this one. Put in the bag. Come, stand here. Come closer here. There's another one here, big one. What do you say? Yeah. And I don't know if some rabbits open. And so I think this side, we're gonna leave this side for say this one for other people. Yeah, those ones. And for these ones, I think we might come next week. Guys, we have some here, like these ones. I think we will have to come next week to harvest again. Because like these ones, they are big, they grow very fast. Like this one, something ate that one, maybe a bunny or something. But that's what we have here. And for the corn, I think it might take some time to harvest. So let me know, guys. Let me know what you think. Kwa wale ambao wanapenda ukulima, let me know what you think, because we have ukulima going on all the way around, all the way. A lot of people doing this kind of farming. If I can flip the camera like this, you can see the farming this side. This is not mine. This is other people's, but I'm just framing the camera so that you guys can see all the way up there. Yeah, guys, that's it. And thank you for watching this video. And let me know what you think. Give me your support. And I will see you in the next update next time. Thank you. Bye bye.